गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, कोविड-19 एक महामारी जो पूरे विश्व में फैल चुकी है और उससे हमारा जीवन भी थोड़ा प्रभावित हुआ है, जिससे कि हमारी जो डेली की दिनचर्या है उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस हो गए हैं और इसी की वजह से हम स्कूल नहीं आ पा रहे। तो हमारे स्कूल ने आपके लिए घर बैठे ही ऐसी व्यवस्था की है कि आप ऑनलाइन क्लासें ज्वाइन कर सकें, देख सकें घर बैठ के ही। तो मैं आपको 8th क्लास की मैथ पढ़ाऊंगा, जिसमें लेसन नंबर फर्स्ट है आपके पास में रेशनल नंबर। रेशनल नंबर इससे पहले की क्लासेस में आपने पढ़ा है अ नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 are called a natural number. Number 0 1 2 3 4 5 are called whole number, and a number -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 are called a integers. Means integer. In our previous class 7th, you know that our first chapter integer, and this time a discussion and a positive, negative and zero are called integers. Now today discuss a rational number. Let be a suppose that a equation, let be suppose equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. Then solve the equation. First of all, solve the equation. Here is equal to, then first of all indicating bar, and 2x is equal to 1, and here is this side there will be a minus 1 minus 3. 2x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2. This is a multiply, then will be a divide 2. Then minus 2 upon 2, then will be a 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. That means x is equal to minus 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1. Then will be a value of x is called, what is this? Take some example. Then will be a, if 2x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then same as it as here. If equation 2x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 by 2. Maybe look here. Then all values of x here minus 1 by 1. X is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Then will be a write down here. First of all 1 upon minus 1 upon 1. This is value of x, comma 1 upon 2, comma 3 upon 2. Then what is this? This is a rational number. This is a rational number. RATIONAL. Rational, NUMBER. Rational number. Then according to a definition of a rational number, a number which can be written as a P by Q form. P and Q, where P by Q form means P upon Q. If any digit write down by this form, means here if write down here 2 by 3, if write down here 4 upon 3, if write down here minus 1 upon 1, if write down here 4, this is a rational number, because why? If here not here, then will be a 1. Okay, then this is a rational number. But only one condition here, q does not equal to 0. Q does not equal to 0. कि if any digit denominator 0, then what is this? Maybe look here कि if 2 upon 3 and if value of a 3 is 0, then what is this? Look here, 2 upon 0. Okay, then this is a value. What is this? That means this is the infinity. This is the infinity. This is a infinity and this is not a rational number. यह हमारे पास में रेशनल नंबर नहीं है. ओनली वन वे नंबर जो हमारे पास में p बाई क्यू की फॉर्म में लिखे जा सकते हैं उन्हीं को हम क्या कहेंगे? रेशनल नंबर कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर 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 दिस इज अ रेशनल नंबर. ओके, सम बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी follow the rational number. Then look here, for some property of a rational number, then we know that first of all property, there will be a closure property with addition for a rational number. Then look here कि if any rational number, for example 2 upon 3 and addition, then add 4 upon 5, 4 upon 3. Okay, then 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 3. Why 5 क्यों नहीं है? Because our denominator same, then will be easy हमारे पास में calculation रहेगी. Okay, then look here, first of all solve it. This is a rational number, this is a rational number, and there will be addition, there will be a denominator are same, then write down a 3 and 4 and 2 6, then we write down 4 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 upon 3. Then will be a 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. Then will be a, this is a 2 upon 1. So this is also a rational number. That means here this rational number and their addition, इनका जो addition होगा वो हमारे पास में also क्या होगा? Rational number होगा. Okay, second things, look here, subtraction. Then will be look here, if 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, then look here, denominator are not same. Then first of all take LCM 2 and 3. Then we know that 6. Then we write down 6. Okay, then 6 divided by 3 how many times? 2 times. Then write down a 2 into 2 minus, there will be a 6 divided by 2 how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3. Then look here, 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 upon 6. That means minus 1 upon 6. And this is also a rational number. Okay. There will be a third things, multiplication. Then look here, multiplication, if 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5, then here rational number, and these multiplication, maybe a 4 2 ja 8 and 3 5 ja 15. This is also a rational number. Okay, and last 4, division, division. Division, then we look here, if here there be a 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5, this is rational number, and this division, then we look here, here division, and if divide, then will be a last number, then will be a reciprocal, then we look here 2 upon 3 into sign change, and there will be a 5 upon 4 change. Okay, just opposite. Okay, then we look here, 5 2 ja 10 and 3 4 ja 12. This is also a rational number. Okay, that means here closure property, all digit, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division follow a rational number. Closure property में एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन को रेशनल नंबर फॉलो करता है. ओके, सेकंड थिंग्स, देयर विल बी अ सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, वी नो दैट देयर विल बी अ यूज्ड टू अ सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी commutative property, we know that commutative property कि if any two rational number a and b, okay, a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Can write down here, okay. For examples, look here कि if a is equal to 2 upon 3 and b is equal to 4 upon 5, then add it. Then we look here, 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Then look here, take LCM 3 and 5, there will be a 15, and 15 divided by 3, there will be how many times? 5, there will be a 2 into 5, plus 15 divided by 5, how many times? 3, there will be a 4 into 3, then 5 2 are 10 plus 3 4 are 12 upon 15, and this is a 22 upon 15. Second way, look this is a plus b, huh? This is a plus b. Second way कि b plus a, value same, only one order change. Then will be a b plus a. Then we write down first of all 4 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. Then take LCM as its same. This is a denominator, same, do not same, there will be LCM. Take LCM, there will be a 3 and 5, 15, and 15 divided by 5, 3 times, there will be a 4 into 3, plus, there will be a 15 divided by 3, there will be a 5 times, there will be a 2 into 5. Then look here, there will be a 3 4 are 12, plus 5 2 are 10 upon 15, and this is a 22 upon 15. And look here, this and this, both are same. That means commutative property with addition follow a property a plus b is equal to b plus a. Are you understand? Okay. Second, subtraction. Second property with commutative, there will be a subtraction. A minus b does not equal to b minus a. For examples, here a is equal to 2 upon 3 and b is equal to 4 upon 5. Same example, okay. Then look here, put a minus b, first of all solve left hand side. Then we look here, 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5. Then we take LCM, then we have 15, and 15 divided by 3, then will be a 5 times, 2 into 5 minus 15 divided by 3 times, then will be a 4 into 3. Then will be a 5 2 are 10 minus 3 4 are 12 upon 15, and this is a minus 2 upon 15. Okay. Then will be a, again right hand side, then will be a b minus a. Look here, b minus a, there will be a 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. Then look here, take LCM, there will be a 15, 3 and 5, okay. 15 divided by 5, 3 times, there will be a 4 into 3 minus 2 into 5. And here 3 4 are 12 minus 5 2 are 10, and there will be a 15. So this is a 2 upon 15. Look here, this is minus 2 upon 15 and this is a 2 upon 15, means there will be a minus b does not equal to b minus a. And this property, that means a commutative property with subtraction is not follow a rational number. A minus b does not equal to b minus a. Okay. Third property, look here.
बस
Closure property with a multiplication a cross b is equal to b cross a. For examples here, A is equal to 2 upon 3. Same example. And B is equal to 4 upon 5. Then look here. A cross B. First of all, left hand side. And 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5. Then what is this? Then it will be a 4 2 ja 8 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay. Second way, B cross A. Then B cross A, then be a first of all 4 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. Then 4 2 ja 8 and 3 5 ja 15. That means here ki A cross B is equal to B cross A. That means commutative property with multiplication follow a rational number. And last unit, division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division, there will be a, if division is not follow of the commutative property with the addition. For examples here, A is equal to 2 upon 3 and B is equal to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Okay. Then look here. There will be a divided by B does not equal to B divided by A. B divided by A. Here look here. Then look this. A is equal to, first of all take a left hand side. A divided by B is equal to A is equal to 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Solve it. There will be a 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 4. And here 5 2 ja 10 and 3 4 ja 12. That means A divided by B is equal to 10 upon 12. And if B divided by A, right hand side, then we look here. So B, there will be a 4 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 3. Then look here, 4 upon 5 multiply, then will be a cross, just opposite, then will be a 3 upon 2. Then look here, this is 3 4 ja 12 upon 10. 12 upon 10. Look here, this and this. This is 10 upon 12 and this is a 12 upon 10. That means here A divided by B does not equal to B divided by A. That means multiplication with a commutative property follow, division property is not follow for rational number. Clear everyone? Okay.